Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Notion to your N8N AI automation workflow. Alright, let's begin. First, create a new workflow in N8N. Click the plus button and search for Notion. Choose one of the Notion database nodes, like Get a Database. When you select it, N8N will prompt you to create a new credential. To do this, open your Notion workspace and go to Settings. Scroll down to the Connections section and click Develop or Manage Integrations. Create a new integration for your N8N workflow. Choose your associated workspace, select Internal as the integration type, give it a name like N8N Tutorial, and click Save. Once the integration is created, go to its settings and copy the internal integration secret token. Return to N8N and paste the token into the credential field, then click Save. Your credential should now be successfully created. Next, you need to give this integration access to your Notion database. Open the database you want to connect. Click the three-dot menu in the top right, and under Connections, add the integration you just created. Confirm the permissions so the integration can read, insert, and update content in the database. So that's basically how you can connect Notion to your N8N AI automation workflow. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.